Okay, we are on to day 2 of Unit 3, which is what is changing in our world. Week 6, day 2, and what do animals do when the seasons change? So we read Bear Snores On yesterday, and we talked about hibernation, and you listened to that story about Home Sweet Home, about how Robin had to move with Hummingbird when the seasons changed. And today we're going to move on and we are going to talk about different things, including autumn. So autumn is the season that follows summer when the weather grows cool. In autumn, the leaves change color from green to red and gold. Another word for autumn is fall. Thanksgiving is an autumn holiday. How did the trees change in autumn where you live? So if we think about it, ours do change that yellow and red and gold colors. And talk with your partners about what activities you enjoy doing in the autumn. So you will draw a picture of what it looks like in autumn to you. So think about the trees and the ground, and you're not going to be drawing tulips or anything. So think about that. Next, we're going to move on to our phonics. So yesterday we talked about and est. So we talked about big tallest, taller, things like that. But today we're actually going to talk about when I look at this picture, I see a bridge. And I hear 4 sounds in bridge. B, I, j. Listen to the 4 sounds in smudge, s, m, j, or hedge, h, e, d, j. It sounds like a J, but it is actually spelled with a D-G-E. So you are going to play a game with your team, number 1, 2, and 3, and 1 will pull a card, 2 will read it, and 3 will sound it out. Then 2 will pull a card, 3 will read it, and 1 will sound it out. Then 3 will pick a card, 1 will read it, 3 will sound it out. And you're going to videotape yourself on Seesaw playing this. Okay, so pause and go play the game. Now, we did talk, like I said earlier, about ER and EST endings, and I want you to fill this page out. So we have short, shorter, shortest, and you'll use this word bank, so you shouldn't be spelling any of them wrong. Next, we do have a brand new words for our selection, so we're going to see this in our main selection. And you will have, if you open your workbook, you'll see there's some extra instructions, but let me read these to you. 1, it is spring in the forest. So spring is the opposite season as fall, so that's when everything starts growing back. And we see a lot more flowers and such. The warm sun shines. Yesterday I heard a lot of you guys say, it's hot. Well, it wasn't hot. It was warmer than it has been, but it definitely wasn't hot. We'll save hot for when it's July and August. 3, Mother Goose sits on her nest, so we see the goose here. 4, a raccoon hunts for food, and the raccoon is our main character in our story today. And 5, a butterfly lands on a flower, and last week we talked all about caterpillars turning into butterflies, so we should be familiar with that word. Our main selection is Where Are My Animal Friends? And you're going to read this with your partners. Now, this is actually a drama, or also we call it a play. So you'll see little pictures of the characters who are saying it. And so you can actually, there's 5 characters and there's 3 of you. So one person will be one character and like the main character. And then the other 2 will choose 2 characters. And so you'll each read that. And make sure to stop at each page and talk about what is happening. Pause and go ahead and do that. Okay, now that you're back, we've talked about contractions with not, and so it shows where the apostrophe goes. So last week we worked with contractions as well. And this week you're going to continue that. So you're going to circle the contraction that has, or the word that has the contraction in it, in each of these. And then you're also going to make contractions out of these words and use this word bank up here to help you do that. Again, pause, work with your team, and then that should be all. If there are any more page things on day 2 from your workbook, complete those. But then come in and start working on your must-dos.